Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today this video I'm going to show you how to fill up the form 1000 nomination for global talent pathway subclass 858 for Australia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have already published a video about step-by-step guideline for 858. Okay. Now this is the form that is in the checklist that was already described to you guys. So I'm not gonna discuss these terms, condition and all that you know. But few points you need to remember. Applicant details. So this is the person who is applying for 858, not nominator. Okay. So when somebody nominates an applicant, nominator should be aware of the details of nominee too, right? That's what applicant details. And of course, they should match residential address, phone number. This is very like, and this should match like these. Of course, description and why the nominator considers the applicant to have an internationally recognized record of exceptional outstanding achievement. So these things you can write, but other details like these should match, right? And still prominent is a requirement, so that should be yes. But again, it varies case by case. So if you're doing, make sure you nominate someone eligible. Okay. Another question like current prominence, why it will be an asset to Australian community. You have to explain it very clearly. Okay. Currently employed, their salary, occupation, if they have an offer of employment, expected salary, proposed activity in Australia, any registration, licensing, membership that is required, age, and how he thinks that the claims why the nominee are like genuine. Nominator details. If your organization, go for part A. If you're individual, go for part B. So part A comes here. Part B is there. So if you're in individual, you can write your details. Let's call countries of citizenship, but yeah, you know the criteria, right? Okay. So status. As an individual, you can nominate someone if you fall into these three, one of these three. Then, and nominator also needs to say how the nominator has required national reputation in the same area. Okay. Signature date. Fine. Assistant this form. If you've got any assistant, check yes and provide the detail. Otherwise, no. And that's it. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Opinion person.